Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to copy a Gmail link step by step in 2025. Whether you want to share an email direct link or copy a link inside an email, this guide will make it easy and clear. So first of all, open the Gmail app or website and find the email with the link. Tap or click the link you want to copy, and then if it opens in a browser or preview, tap and hold in the link mobile or right click desktop, select copy link address or copy. Then the link is now copied to your clipboard and ready to paste anywhere. And open Gmail in your browser on your PC, then click on the email and to share or save a link to. In the browser's address bar you will see a long URL. You can see this, the URL, and this is the direct link to the email. And click the URL and copy, Ctrl C. You can click and you can Ctrl plus C, the shortcut, and right click copy. Then this link only work if the person you share it with has access to the same Gmail account. And also you can copy the link. Here you can see the Gmail account and click right click, and here you can see this copy link. To click the link and paste the copied link into a message, documents or chat by pressing Ctrl V, or long press and paste on mobile. Recipient can open the link if they have permissions. Open the email containing the Google Doc or attachment. Click the attachment or doc like link to open it. Or once opened, copy the link from the browser address bar or use the share option inside Google Docs to get a shareable link. And always make sure the recipient has permission to view the email or file. Gmail links to email are not public. Sharing sensitive information requires cautions. For quick access to emails, consider started or labeled email instead. And that's it. Copying Gmail links in 2025 is simple once you know where to look, whether it's link inside email or sharing a direct email URL. Hope you are enjoying this video and don't forget to subscribe the channels.